Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 Platinum in white platinum with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and it's also a 4x4. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a max trailer tow package, as well as the technology package, and that includes the split view camera. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors, as well as memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you also have massaging seats. You have electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, grab handle in the body, and you have these nice leather seats that have inserts as well as the platinum badging. When you get in, you're going to see on the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, as well as a menu. And you can toggle through My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little bit of a cubby, as well as a B&O badging for your audio system. And then you have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, and this is your 360 view camera, and it's the split view. As well, you have auto stop start for less idle time. And then we can go back home. I'll just hit that one more time. You have your sources on your screen, and as you notice, I can touch on them. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth, and then you can go into navigation. You'll see your map. And as well, when you put your vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. You also have your settings that you can slide through for different options, like automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. You also have your volume and tuner located there, and there's dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC and max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. In the little cubby, you're seeing a couple of USB outlets, and you just press in the center and it'll close right up. An automatic select shifter, and this is drive mode. When you press this, it'll appear on your dash, and there's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then you have your lane keeping, park assist, couple of cup holders, and you're seeing the rings in the bottom there. That's the light that comes on for the ambient lighting. Your armrest opens up, and there's a nice little bin in there, as well, a 12-volt, and lots of room. And you just put that bin back up there. Off to the side is a 12-volt and a 110 outlet. You have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, and there's your lighting controls and sunglass holder. And there's also a power sliding window, and that's the button for that. And you have a dual panel moonroof, and so when we press the button, some nice fresh air, and today, blue skies. 3-inch wheels, power deployed running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back on the tailgate, your handle is chrome. You can remove and lock your tailgate. The backup camera is located just below the handle, and that's one of them. And you also have that nice platinum badge right across the back of the tailgate, and backup sensors on your bumper. There's also a trailer hitch, and when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It powers it down for you, and then it's easy to get in. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step. That just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily pull the tab, and then you're able to lift the seat into the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the tab again, and down it goes. At the base, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and you're seeing that nice detail in the leather as well as the badging on it. In the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and on the floor, an all-weather mat for easy cleanup. You also have extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders, air vents on either side, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, as well as the controls for heated seats for the rear. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Colored bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.